Got a mess on your hands? Whether it's a massive home clean-out or a full-blown renovation, Big Dawg Dumpsters has you covered with the best dumpster rental in Cape Coral, Florida. We're here to make your cleanup a breeze. With a range of dumpster sizes and lightning-fast service, we'll help you kick clutter to the curb in no time. It's like having a cleanup superhero, minus the cape. At Big Dawg Dumpsters, we get it. No two projects are the same. That's why we offer flexible dumpster rentals for all kinds of jobs, big or small. Need to toss a mountain of junk from the garage? Or maybe you're tackling a construction site that's spewing debris like it's going out of style? No problem. Our team will help you pick the perfect dumpster, so your project runs smoother than butter. Why let trash slow you down? With Big Dawg Dumpsters, renting a dumpster is easy peasy. We'll drop it off, you fill it up, and we'll whisk it away. You'll enjoy hassle-free service, prompt pickups, and prices that won't break the bank. So, what are you waiting for? Visit www.dumpsterrentalcapecoralfl.com or call us at 743-244-3294 and let's get that dumpster rolling.